What's going on, Facebook fam? This your boy JB with Relationship Spiciness 101. The first tip that I got for you guys. But before I get into that, for the people that liked my status earlier, thank y'all so very much. For the rest of you niggas, I hope your relationship ends up in the toilet. Real shit. No, I'm just messing with you guys. First tip. Fellas, you've been at home all day and you either had a vacation or a day off. Your woman comes home. The first thing she asks you is this: what you been doing all day? And you say nothing, just chilling. She gonna be mad at you. Tip number one: do some chores around the house. Is the floor mopped? Is the bathroom cleaned and sanitized? Is the dishes washed? Even if it's just one dish, she will still flip off. Is the garbage taken out? Do these simple things, and I guarantee you she will love you, and your relationship will be a whole lot better. Ain't nothing worse in the world than a dirty house. Women love coming home to a nice, clean, smelling house. Keep that up, your relationship will improve. That's all I have for you guys tonight. Tune in tomorrow, same time, midnight. I am kind of late, but midnight, I promise. Take care, fellas. Keep it spicy.